I am already 22 years of age na, and I am living on my own for almost 2 years na. And of course, just like most of you guys, at first kinakabahan at takot din ako. But then, I overcame that fear, and ito ako ngayon, nagsishare ng experience ko sa inyo. So the first lesson that I want to share with you, Kosa, is that when I started living on my own, I learned budgeting. Because since living independent ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng basta-basta gumastos ng pera. Because the first priority mo as an independent guy is yung monthly bills mo, like water, electricity, etc. Secondly, I learned to take care of myself, especially my health. Because no one will take care of you if in case na magkasakit ka. This can also impact your work. Since then, I was very careful sa mga kinakain ko at iniinom ko. And since na nag-start ako dito sa project discipline ko, I became more extra careful sa mga kinakain and iniinom ko. Because the goal is to be more healthier than ever. Third and last lesson that I can share is I was able to know myself better. Because there are days that until now, I can't even believe na nalampasan ko na ako lang mag-isa. Especially those days na wala kang matatakbuhan and kailangan mong gumawa ng sarili mong discard just to survive that day, weeks, and months. So yes, I am so proud of myself that I was able to go through that days nang ako lang mag-isa. And for me, living on your own is one of the best journey that I ever experienced so far, because it reveals what kind of person you are, especially sa survival days mo. So this is the day 32 of my Project 50. Peace!